Hello everyone, I'm Shreyali from Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, Yadra. I'm here to present our innovative project that is a smart and comfortable wheelchair for handicapped person. Our project mainly focuses on the problems faced by the people which are restricted to the wheelchair for prolonged period. Heat generated due to prolonged sitting over wheelchair leads to different problems such as pressure ulcers, bed sores, etc., causing severe health issue to the patients. These are the pictures shown below. So to solve this problem, we have designed the wheelchair using heat pipe application. These are the pictures shown below. The technology used to design our project. Our design uses a heat pipe filled with distilled water, which will change phase from liquid to vapor depending on vacuum pressure. The energy required to vaporize the distilled water comes from seated persons. The water rises naturally to the back of wheelchair where it releases its energy to the ambient environment temperature, which is 23 degrees Celsius, and then evaporate. Objectives: evaluate existing wheelchair in terms of human factor engineering. Redesign and analyze the project according to human factor engineering and material selection. Heat transfer coefficient: small size, less weight, and lower material cost. Overall reduction in system cost. Methodology: study of different temperature and relative humidity develops in human body. Study of different types of heat pipes and select effective heat pipe considering human comfort. Study of different working fluids used in heat pipe and select suitable fluids for operation. Conduct the experiment on the system and achieve the stated objective. Develop the structure as per design and properly mounting on the wheelchair. Design the structure of heat pipe which is mounted on the wheelchair. Validation of obtained data with available literature. Result will be concluded with suggestion for the future scope in medical appliances, spacecraft, and permafrost. This is prototype of our product. Future scopes: use of nanofluid, increasing number of heat pipe, phase change material. Thank you.